Welcome, seniors, and congratulations on your big day. See, both of us are graduating together, you and me. You from your 12 to 13 years of education and from Jupiter High, and me, 37 years of teaching and from Jupiter High. We are locked together, and I am so proud of that. The fact that the class of 2020, which of course we know means perfect vision, is just that. You guys have gone through so much, and you're about to embark on the most exciting time of your life. It is a chapter with so much potential, and I have no doubt that you will succeed. I taught close to 200 of you last year, between 6 classes, and then the Saturday sessions from March, April, May to get ready for that AP exam. I've also watched so many of you participate in sports and music and drama programs. You're an exciting group, and you have so much ahead of you. Now, just think also, it's never too late to say thank you and please, especially to the people that got you to this point. I know myself, in graduating here in a little bit into the world of retirement, I have people to thank, mostly my family, but also a certain group of friends that are so close to me that helped me through all these times. And you, the students, I thank so much. You see, I never went to work in 37 years. I had a career. What a difference that is. Hopefully you will find that also. As a history teacher, you teach about different generations. And most historians now think your great-grandparents' generation, so nicknamed the greatest generation, is just that. As children, they went through the Great Depression. They avenged a terrible sneak attack and then freed a continent gone mad. When that was over, they rebuilt that continent and protected it. Came home, bought houses, started families, and continued on. They are a great generation. But the first few chapters of your generation is just as impressive. You are the children born of 9/11. You don't know what it's like to go through airports without security and so on, and be scared of terrorism. You've watched family and friends and neighbors and relatives go off to 2 endless wars. And just a few years ago, you went through the Great Recession, and those of us that live in Jupiter know how hard that hit us. And now you had this crazy coronavirus, which took away the second half of your senior year, the best half of your senior year. Now it's your time to continue on those chapters. Okay, you will have the question you will have the question now, which is going to be asked to you that no one else knew before, because you're going to be asked whether it is a job interview, entering Greek life, scholarship applications, the same questions always asked. What was your biggest challenge and how did you face it? All you got to say is, well, my senior year, and finish out the blank to that. How great are you going to be? It's up to you. As we both walk that stage, I know I'm proud to say, yes, I graduated in 79 and 83 and 88 for my master's. But in 20, I walked with a great senior class. One more thing. Do you know how cool your reunions are going to be? You will have the greatest class reunions because what you were not allowed to do now. Your 10 and 20 year reunions will be just unbelievable. Stay true to yourselves. Never say it's too old to say thank you and please. And good luck, my friends, as we walk the stage together.